time for fall, babes. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, we'll be talking about fall trends. So in terms of colors for fall, we're obviously going to be doing red. Red has been extremely big across the board. Some people have been pushing it, in my opinion, and saying bright, bold reds. But I think we're mainly leaning towards deeper, richer reds, like almost gearing towards burgundies. I have this really cute little tank that I got the other day from Garage. I never know how to wear tanks in fall though. It's always very awkward. And then it has like this low back. Can you see? I also wore it with this belt, which I'm totally over with. It's cute and it's backless and it's like different. Red just goes so crazy, and while you can do it in simple things like t-shirts and knits, I think red leather just speaks volumes like for the season. So you're gonna do leather handbags, leather boots. I don't think I need to invest in a pair of red leather boots like for this season, but I've used up. Red leather jackets. Some of them are really good. I thrifted this like a couple of years ago. It's like a little red Coach bag. Coach, honestly, if you're looking for anything red leather, look up Coach. I remember like a few years ago I picked this up from like a vintage store downtown Toronto for like $40 and it looks so good. It's so cute. I can't wait. Yellow. Feel like yellow is still seeping in from the spring summer, and I think carrying it into the fall winter with little accessories, just like scarves, hats, knitwear. Yellow knitwear just does it for me. I have yet to haul it, but I got this beautiful Alix like yellow knit sweater and the matching dress, and I'm like, I have to wear it in the winter. Like, I have to wear it in the fall winter. Like, it can't just be a spring thing. Kind of look like Christmas today, like unintentionally. I hope I'm not giving Christmas. Green is such a vibe, especially that rich Rolexy green. Taking this to simple things like t-shirts and like knitwear is just so good for the colder months. Brown's not going anywhere. Like, it's here to stay. I definitely think it still has to do with the 90s, early 2000s trend seeping in to this season as well too. We're kind of slightly moving away from the 90s and going into the early 2000s. It's just so crazy how like the decades are just like shifting and moving forward. I literally just think of like that music era or like what models were wearing. I swear like the biggest thing of this is miniskirts. Miniskirts are just so good, especially with a knee-high boot. That combination just gets me. I think this is like my favorite trend. We're not doing pants. Put your pants away, babes. I'm anemic. I'm cold all the time. I'm literally gonna have to start taking my iron properly. A majority of the time, if you see me wearing one, it's from Garage. This red one, where I styled with the jersey the other day. Beige one, I really like this one a lot. This black one is so good. Oh, I wore this the other day with knee-high boots, and I'm like, I just want to wear this outfit every day. And I've had them for about a year or two now, but I will try and link some down below that are similar, if anything. Knee-high boots. Speaking of the knee-high boots, if you want to take it to the denim boot trend, Zara has this gorgeous pair at the moment. I'm teetering. I don't know if I need them, but I mean, they're a vibe. These. Don't tell me that I didn't put you guys on, because usually come November, December, knee-high boots are like sold out everywhere. These Aldo ones, look at the shape. Look at the shape of them. I want both colors. Look at the chocolate. I'm more than likely gonna get the chocolate. This chocolate with either a mini skirt or a long skirt with a split, and you just have the leg. Low-rise jeans are still kicking around. If you guys haven't watched my True Religion haul, there's quite a few pairs that they make. Honestly, find low-rise jeans like anywhere now. And don't be scared. You don't have to wear them with crop tops anymore, because like that's not the vibe for the 2000s anyways. They always were wearing longer tops. I might hurt some feelings and people might be like, oh my gosh, no, you're such a liar. Looking back, high-waisted jeans are extremely unflattering. I feel like, yes, they cinch you in at your smallest part, but at the same time, they make your torso look short. I was really just looking at some of my photos and I was like, ooh, I look snatched. But then I was like, it might be a good thing. It does make your legs look like they go on for days, but then it looks like I don't have much of a torso, especially because I have a fuller bust. It looks, the high waist is just not it. I'm learning. Maybe they work for you. Let me just shut up. Okay, next one. Bowling bags of the early 2000s are so great. I want to tell you guys so bad about the handbag I got, because it's a bowling bag, but just stay tuned for about 2 more videos and I'm gonna you can go the vintage route, to be honest. There's so many beautiful bowling bags. Yeah. To embody this era, no better way to do it than to just hit up like your local thrift store, Value Village, get a coupon. You can watch the thrift hauls. I just posted. Western biker grunge era. I'm here for it all. So many brands right now are taking that brown Western kind of leather look, but making it grungy, dirty, oily look to it. Hands down, one of the best brands who did it was Miu Miu. You guys have probably seen this handbag. Stunning, beautiful, gorgeous. But I walked into Mango the other day and then I saw this one here. It is still pricey, but it's beautiful. It's soft, it's buttery, it's real leather. Miu Miu also did these crazy biker boots. Like, they're so good. But you don't have to spend that money. Like, Steve Madden has a pair out right now. Not in the exact color, but the exact color launches, I think, like mid-October. So I will link it down below for you guys. They are such good boots. They're amazing boots to wear with all your mini skirts this season. I just like them because they give a flat boot option for the daytime. Acme Studios also did an amazing biker grunge collection, and I believe Kylie Jenner was the face of it for them. No matter how you feel about her, she did an amazing job. She killed the editorial. I definitely went in store and I tried on that shirt. The denim shirt is so amazing. Another piece was the handbag. So good. It wasn't a cargo style handbag like the Miu Miu one, but still having that like grungy, faded, dirty, like washed out or like sun washed out look. Process of like making these pieces, like one of the employees was like explaining to me, it takes hours. Acne did an amazing job with this line, and yeah, like good for them. Another good distressed looking brown grungy Western handbag, a soy. I found them on Essence. This handbag is so beautiful. The cut, the shape, the everything. I feel like this bridges like that trend with like more of like a modern cut and shape, especially with that like big buckle detail. And another favorite brand of mine, I mentioned this on my Instagram stories, so follow me on Instagram because now I believe it's sold out. But I was talking about these sweaters and they have so many different styles at the moment. They have a cropped one, a long one, a pullover one, versus a zip up. They're amazing. Like, they look so cozy and so good and have that kind of distressed, grungy biker look to it. In terms of like trendy eyewear, it's just been really big like in the past couple of years. So we all know last year the Shield sunglasses with the acetate like frame was like super big. We're still doing that wrap Shield sunglass look, but now we're taking it more to a metal frame. So I did see a pair at Acme Studios when I popped in the other day, but honestly, in my opinion, just go the vintage route because again, like I said, early 2000s is in and that's the frame they were wearing. Just go like vintage Chanel, Dior, maybe even Versace as well too. Search up Shield wrap sunglasses and you'll find like some unique pairs that nobody has. If you don't want to go the vintage route, Miu Miu again also has a beautiful wrap pair. Also seen one from Montclair as well too. And then the last style of sunglasses that's trending is like that oval, thinner oval pair. Try not to invest in every trend because trends are so fleeting. Just make sure you really love it and it's a part of your personal style. But everyone's basically taking this oval style now and making it thinner and sharper. So I have this pair from Prada, but I know the ones that are really popular right now are from Saint Laurent, and they have that very sleek look. And they come in black and also the tortoiseshell. Not gonna lie, I really kind of want the tortoiseshell pair. I just think they're really cool, and they give a different look to these. Like these cover more of the face, but that one is just like, they're slits almost. They're basically slits. Celine has a pair of oval frames that aren't as narrow, which you can do if you don't like that Saint Laurent look. I feel like while a lot of those like fitted kind of skimpy looks from the early 2000s are really in, the complete opposite, like oversized, drowning, baggy pieces from that era are also in. Sporty, chill, off-duty, maybe like rappers and R&B singers from that era were wearing as well too. You want to take like your oversized denim shorts, which are jorts, and I spoke about them in my last thrift haul. You're going to want to take that back to like oversized jerseys. A majority of the jerseys that are popular are soccer jerseys, but honestly you can take it back to anything. While in the summertime we were doing jorts with like the high socks and like the Asics sneakers, carrying it into the fall, you're going to do the jorts with the knee-high boots. You're going to do it with the knee-high boots. If it's not your vibe, it's not your vibe. With a flat boot, a flat knee-high boot. Those were the fall trends that I'm enjoying for the season. I'm obviously a bit biased, so share some of your favorites in the comments down below. Like ballet flats. Just because I may not be into something doesn't mean I'm going to roast it, or I don't have to talk about it, okay? So, yeah. You click my head to subscribe, follow me on these socials to keep up with me, and click the bell so you know when I post new videos. I love you guys so much, and take care.